Okay, everyone. My apologies for the delay here. Once again, having a bit of running a bit long in the tooth here. Let's get some perspective. Remember, trading lane that we've been tracking for what seems like forever. And please remember, there is a point to this. If you're getting bored with me talking about this trading lane, then you're getting bored with the realities of trading. We are still looking at the possibility of the market going up to 2.070 to 2.0650 if the market does manage to break out. If the market does manage to fall down here, we're looking at about 96.20 down to this region here, which is about 94.20 as well. So we've got a very wide range in here where the market can fall. But I think it's going to behoove us to watch this area for support if the market does manage to break down. So we've got our long-term trend is up, our mid-term trend is up, short-term trend is down. That means we've activated a counter-trend possibility in this area, which means I'm looking to take trades against the short against the top here, long against the bottom here. Now you can see early this morning, this was actually late in the day yesterday, and then early in the morning London hours. This here was right about 4 o'clock a.m. Eastern time, right at the beginning of the sweet spot for the British pound. You see it hit the top end of our trading lane here. And by the way, because of the length of this, I have really stopped looking at this as a flag pattern and more as a trading lane. Remember, the difference is subtle but important. A trading lane is going to be, again, more for counter-trend trading, whereas a flag tends to be directional. So with a flag, I would be I'd be biased to look for breakouts or trend continuation trades in either direction. But now that we're getting a little bit longer, we've broken back down through support. I've got to look at this as simply a trading lane as the market starts to move down. Maybe it's going to move all the way back down into here, like I've been talking about, 96.80 and 96.20. The market will just put it down into here, and then you'll see the market move up like that. That's a possibility. Also, having the market come down in here and then just continue going on is a possibility. So we've just got to keep our eyes open, watch for the patterns. Let's take a look at the hourly bars here. This is a very good example of a position that did exist but wasn't a good idea to take. Here was the pennant pattern. You can see that the pound just all of a sudden took off like a shot, started to form this pennant very close to the resistance here. And that's the key to understanding there's probably not a very good position. I mean, look at this. You got about a 18, 19 pip potential gain on a trend continuation before it hits resistance. And then, you're going to have to risk 35 points just for it to just for your stop to be out of harm's way. So just not a very good trade setup, even though it did exist. Here was the counter trend possibility. As the market contacted the upper side here, of course the trade didn't actually happen until the market dropped down here to about 98.50. And if you've been paying attention, this 98.50 number is coming up time and time again. It's simply because the market is starting to form what's obviously a very nice area now would be resistance between this 98.50 level and about 98.60. So narrow band, but definitely an area you've got to keep your eye on if you're looking to trade this market moving forward. Now, I don't really see very much in the way of patterns again. We had the market trying to get into this trading lane here, or this channel, and you can see that it followed it for a while, but then fell out. Managed to come right back inside. I would be a little leery of taking any trades based on this type of trading channel at this point. So, again, nothing really forming up. This is actually pretty rare for the marketplace here. Not even an aggressive trade really forming up. We're just stuck in the middle of the overall trading lane. We're going to have to wait and see what happens in the next few hours.